Working with 3D scene graphics and have an IV file? These are scene graph files from the Open Inventor 3D toolkit. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and working with these Open Inventor scene graph files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange IV formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. IV files are scene graph files used by Open Inventor, a 3D graphics toolkit originally developed by Silicon Graphics. They contain hierarchical 3D scene descriptions, including geometry definitions, transformations, materials, lighting, and grouping nodes that combine to define complete 3D scenes for visualization and interactive 3D applications. IV scene graph files use Open Inventor's text-based or binary format storing 3D scene hierarchies as node trees. The format includes shape nodes for geometry, transform nodes for positioning, material nodes for appearance, light nodes for illumination, and group nodes for organization following Open Inventor's standard scene graph specifications. For full compatibility with IV, use the proprietary Golden Software Voxler, developed by Golden Software, LLC. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows offers limited visibility for this category, so full inspection requires dedicated 3D software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your IV file and select Open With. If Golden Software Voxler is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If the IV file won't budge, stay calm. We've got this under control. If the IV file is still closed, it's one of 3 basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, opening an Open Inventor. Use Open Inventor viewers or applications built on the Open Inventor toolkit to load IV files. Scene Viewer, IV View, and similar applications display IV scenes in 3D viewports with interactive navigation controls. The viewers render scenes with proper materials, lighting, and camera positioning as defined in the scene graph file. Next, converting to other formats. Use 3D file conversion tools like a SIMKit or specialized Open Inventor utilities to convert IV files to formats like OBJ-STL or VRML. The conversion preserves geometry and basic appearance information, enabling use of Open Inventor scenes in modern 3D software that may not support the IV format directly. Finally, editing as text. Open IV files using text-based format in editors like Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ to inspect and modify scene graph content. The readable format allows manual editing of node parameters, geometry coordinates, and material properties. Advanced users can handcraft IV scenes through direct text editing of the scene graph structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.